Hey everybody, it's Jay Renee. If you are new here, then welcome and hey y'all. And if you are a returning subscriber and or viewer, then welcome back y'all. Thank you so much for tuning in and remaining loyal. If you haven't already, then definitely make sure to click that subscribe button down below and click the bell button so you'll be notified every single time I post some greatness, y'all. So today, well, first off, y'all like my look? You did? That's new. I was like, my background too plain. I like glitter. I like color. I like good vibes. So I was like, yes. Moving on. Today's video will be an unboxing reveal of the new rice water collection from Mielle Organics, y'all. Mielle gave me the opportunity to collab with them, so they sent me these products and I am so excited to use them. Once I take these mini twists down, I'm gonna use the products, but today I'm gonna just do an unboxing so I can show y'all all the products that they have available in the collection. I can let y'all know the directions, how to use them, and things like that. So it could be a little bit easier when y'all get y'all products, because I know a lot of y'all bought the products and took advantage of that sale. They were all $5. Now they are sold out, but they supposed to be restocking. Let's get straight into this video, y'all. Let's get straight into. First things first, this packaging, honey. Do y'all see this? Let me give the packaging the spotlight. Y'all, this packaging is so pretty. And then you see it's like a little rice. I was like, that's so cute. And I love when brands have good packaging because it just makes me feel welcome. Like, it should make y'all feel welcome too and just be like, oh, so this is what Mielle is bringing us. Shout out to Mielle for the bomb packaging. The whole collection is good for length retention. Let me show you. So on the box, it says, our new release, Rice Water Collection, gain strength and retain length. But let's get in the box. Come inside the box with me, y'all. We're in the box now. So the first product we have is their split end therapy. So first things first, you always have to keep your ends moisturized, because if they're not moisturized, they're gonna get brittle, they're gonna start splitting, and then that means that they're gonna break, which means that you're breaking your hair off and you will not retain that length that you grew, because your hair always grows. You just have to know how to keep your hair moisturized and prevent it from breaking at the bottom. So that's why you got the split end therapy. On the bottle it says, this lightweight product is designed to strengthen against split ends. Ingredients such as rice water and yuzu both assist with nourishing hair and works to prevent future damage. Light enough to be used daily. So you can use this daily. Let me read the directions so y'all know how to use it. It says, apply a dime size. We ain't gonna put no dime size, but apply a dime size amount into the palm of your hand. Massage and apply product from roots to tip. Now, do you use it on wet hair or dry hair, right? Let me look and see. Apply to ends of hair. Place a plastic cap on head and leave on for 10 minutes. Rinse and proceed with shampooing. Okay, so it looks like that you have to put this on before you shampoo. So I'm thinking dry hair. I don't know if you could put it on wet hair. I don't see why not, but the directions don't say that. They just say put it on from root to tip before you shampoo. So this is like a therapy. It's like a before you start, you know, loving on your hair and start washing it and deep conditioning and stuff like that. So it looks like the split end therapy is the first thing that you're gonna use, because it says to use it before shampooing. So yes, I can't wait to use this. Let me open it up. I'm opening these products. Okay, so it comes with this cute little syringe dropper. I don't know what to call it, dropper syringe, but it comes with this. Let me show y'all the consistency of it. I put it in my palm. Okay, put a little bit. So it is very thin, but it feels good. Let me put it on this side of my hand so y'all can see, or not. But it feels really, really good, y'all. Like, it's, my fingers is like super slippery, so it seemed like it's gonna add some really, really good put it on my ends of my little twist, but do not waste product. This split end therapy, it feels really, really good, y'all, like just on my fingers. I cannot wait to use this on my hair, y'all. You know, get my ends together. My ends have been acting a fool lately, so I kind of been clipping them a lot. So I'm very excited to use this split end therapy to make sure that my ends stay intact. So let's go on to the next product. Okay, so the next product we have here, I actually used it today, not on my hair though. So let me just get to it. This is their clay mask, y'all. So the clay mask, let me read. This dual purpose mask is the perfect detoxifier for hair and body. Designed to detoxify by removing impurities while depositing moisture back into the hair and skin. Ingredients such as rice water and yuzu hydrate both skin and body. So I use this on my face today, y'all. I'm trying to get my skincare together. So I was like, okay, it says hair and body, face, skin. So why not? So when I put it on my skin, it was very smooth. Let me open it for y'all. It was very, very smooth. It's very thick, as you can see. So you would think it'll be super chunky, but it's not. Like, I'm gonna take a little bit here, and it is so soft. Like, it's almost like rubbing, like it's giving my fingers this moisture. So it definitely added moisture to my face. My face felt silky smooth afterwards. You know, I exfoliated and stuff. So I cannot wait to use this on my hair. I feel like it's gonna make my hair so soft. So what I think I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use the split end therapy first, then I'm gonna wash my hair, and then I'm gonna use this clay mask as my deep conditioner. So that's what I'm gonna use. Let me read the directions for y'all. Directions for hair usage, it says, apply a generous amount of product to damp hair from root to tip. Leave on for 15 to 30 minutes, covered with a plastic cap, and rinse. May be used every 2 weeks. So, of course, deep conditioning every 2 weeks, however often that you wash your hair, but I try to do every week or 2 weeks. 2 weeks to be realistic, but yeah, you can use this every 2 weeks. And then the directions to use on your body is apply to body, leave on 15 to 20 minutes, and rinse with warm water. So I may actually do this with my shower tomorrow to put it all on my body to be silky smooth, because who don't like a nice smooth body, right? So thank you, Mielle, for the hair and the body usage of this clay mask. I cannot wait. I don't even know if I mentioned it, but these products smell super good, y'all. They all smell the same, and they smell so good. I can't really give you a description on what it smells like, honestly. Kind of perfumey, but not. I don't know, but order at least one of the products and you'll see. The next product we have here is the Shine Mist. So everybody like for their hair to be shiny. When you get done with it, you know, you just do a little Or if your hair looking old when it's curly and you just want to add a little shine, you just and then you'll be cool. So Mielle gave us this Shine Mist. This lightweight mist not only adds shine, but also hydrates and aids in preventing flyaways. Ooh, that's good. Because every time I do my hair, like it'd be this spot, my middle, and it'll just be sticking up. So good for flyaways. Perfect for rehydrating and refreshing curls. Rice water and yuzu are both perfect combination for added shine and hydration. So it looks like all their products have, well, of course, rice water, but it has this yuzu as well. So it looks like they complement their biffs. Like in this collection, rice water and yuzu are biffs. Best friends forever. Short biffs. But I'm so excited to use this. Let me see. Not ingredients. Directions, honey. Directions. Apply to damp or dry hair. Style as desired. May be used to refresh curls or desired hairstyle. Like I said, them curls looking dry. Or when you get done with your hairstyle, you just want to add a little extra Shine Mist. So let me spray a little bit on my hand. Ooh, that mister not scared. It's not scared or shy at all. But See, that's how it looks. You rub it in. It's so it's not wet, but it's not oily. It's in between. And it's a little bit sticky. I'm not gonna lie, it's a little bit sticky. So I would suggest not using too much on your hair because then your hair might be sticky and you may not like that. So, but yes, use a little bit, not too much, but you know, just add that little extra shine. Don't go crazy, but just use a little bit. The last product that I have here is what I'm the most excited to use, and it is the moisturizing milk. So this daily moisturizer is the perfect solution for bringing life back to dry, thirsty hair. Infused with key ingredients such as safflower oil, rice water, yuzu, castor oil, and coconut oil to strengthen and lock in moisture. So I'm excited to use this. I love styling products. I've never really used a moisturizing milk before, but I always see that they are kind of thin. So when let me show y'all. So this milk isn't thin like other milks that I've seen or felt before. So it's a little bit thicker. So it's giving me like a like between a cream and a milk, like a more runny type of milk. But it looks like it's gonna give some good hold though. So I don't know what y'all think I should do. A wash and go, because I will be doing a get ready with me video. I'm washing my hair in 2 days, so make sure you comment and let me know. Should I do a wash and go? So I'll be using this and a Mielle gel that I have. Should I do a braid out or should I do a twist out? Comment down below what you want me to do. I have some in mind, but I want to know what y'all think. But yes, let me read the directions for this moisture milk. Apply a dime size. Apply a dime size amount from root to tip on wet or dry hair. May be used for styling and hydration. So when, you know, I let my mommy feel this and stuff like that. If you don't know, she is a licensed cosmetologist. She is retired though, but the girl still knows her stuff. But she said this is like a hair dressing. So it kind of gets your hair prepared for the legitimate, like, tough styling products that you're gonna use. Like, not tough, but like a gel. I've heard you can use this as like a leave-in too. So I may do that. I may wash my hair, use the split end therapy, wash my hair, use the clay mask. Then when I rinse that out, I may go straight in with this as like my leave-in conditioner moisturizer, you dig. Oh, and all of these products, of course, have no parabens, no sulfates, no mineral oil, no animal testing, all that good stuff. So definitely check out their products, y'all. Definitely check out this new collection. All right, y'all, so that is it for my unboxing of the new rice water collection by Mielle Organics. I really hope that y'all like this video. I hope that you have like a little better understanding on how to use the products and got some wheels turning in that mind of what you want to do, what style you want to do when you receive your products. But if you have any questions or anything, definitely leave me a comment below. Again, like I said, I will be doing a get ready with me video using all of these products that will be posted next Saturday. So that date will be May 23rd, or is that Friday? I don't know. When you're in quarantine, you don't know the days no more, but the 23rd out, y'all see it. Just click the bell button so you can see when I post it. But yes, I am super excited to be doing that video. Again, thank you so much to Mielle for giving me the opportunity to collab with them to do this video and for sending me these products. Y'all the one. But yeah, that's it, y'all. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.